Installing solar panels on your home might seem complicated, but what if I told you the entire process can be broken down into just a few clear steps? From site inspection to final system activation, every solar installation follows a structured process. In this video, I'm going to walk you through the complete solar installation process step by step, so you understand exactly what happens before, during, and after installation. Hello everyone, and welcome to the Green World Renewable Energy YouTube channel. If you're planning to install solar panels or simply want to understand how the process works, this video will give you a complete overview from start to finish. Step 1. Site assessment. The first step in any solar installation is the site assessment. This is where solar professionals evaluate your property to determine whether it is suitable for solar. During this stage, they check roof condition and structure, roof orientation and tilt, shading from trees or nearby buildings, available roof space. They may also review your electricity bills to understand your energy consumption. In many cases, installers use tools like drones or software to analyze your roof and calculate solar potential. This step is important because it determines how efficient your solar system will be. Step 2. System design. Once the site assessment is complete, the next step is solar system design. In this stage, engineers design a system tailored to your home. They decide number of solar panels, panel placement on the roof, inverter type, system size in kilowatts. They also create a solar layout design showing exactly where each panel will be installed. Advanced software like Aurora Solar or Helioscope is often used for accurate design and energy production estimates. A good design ensures your system generates maximum energy with minimum losses. Step 3. Permitting and approvals. Before installation can begin, you need approvals from local authorities. This process is called solar permitting. Installers submit documents such as site plan, electrical diagrams, structural details. These are reviewed by the authority having jurisdiction, AHJ. In addition, approval may be required from the utility company for grid connection. This step can take anywhere from a few days to several weeks, depending on location. Step 4. Mounting system installation. Once permits are approved, the physical installation begins. The first part of installation is setting up the mounting structure. Mounting systems are used to secure solar panels to the roof. Installers mark panel positions, attach mounting rails, ensure proper alignment and tilt. These structures must be strong enough to withstand wind, rain, long-term exposure. Proper mounting is critical for system safety and durability. Step 5. Solar panel installation. After mounting is complete, solar panels are installed on the structure. Installers carefully place each panel and secure it to the mounting rails. They also connect panels together using electrical wiring. Panels are connected in series or parallel configurations depending on the system design. At this stage, your roof starts to look like a complete solar system. Step 6. Electrical wiring and inverter installation. Next comes the electrical setup. This includes connecting solar panels to the inverter, installing the inverter, connecting the system to your electrical panel. The inverter converts DC electricity from panels into AC electricity used in your home. Additional components may include DC isolators, AC disconnects, monitoring systems. This step ensures the system operates safely and efficiently. Step 7. Inspection and testing. Before the system is activated, it must be inspected. Authorities or certified inspectors check electrical connections, mounting safety, code compliance. The system is also tested to ensure everything works properly. This step ensures the installation meets safety standards and regulations. Step 8. Grid connection and activation. After inspection approval, the system is connected to the grid. The utility company gives permission to operate, often called PTO, permission to operate. Once approved, the system is turned on, electricity begins flowing, your home starts generating solar power. From this point, you can start saving on electricity bills. What happens after installation? After installation, most systems include monitoring software. This allows you to track energy production, system performance, daily and monthly output. Maintenance is usually minimal, but occasional cleaning and inspection help maintain efficiency. Quick summary. Let's quickly summarize the solar installation process. Site assessment, system design, permits and approvals, mounting, installation, panel installation, electrical wiring, inspection, grid connection. This structured process ensures your solar system is safe, efficient, and reliable. I hope this video helped you understand the solar installation process step by step. If you're planning to install solar panels or want to learn more about solar design, permitting, and renewable energy, make sure to subscribe to the Green World Renewable Energy channel. We regularly share educational content to help homeowners and professionals better understand solar technology. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.